time has come. Let the show begin.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Angels up in the clouds are jealous, knowing we found You got me kissing the ground, sanctuary. Try to be when you're done, but glory to me to die. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, knowing we found
The day we met, frozen, I held my breath. Right from the start, I knew that I found a home for my heart.
Baby, the best part of me is you. Lately, everything's making sense too. Oh, baby, I'm so in love with you.
Hindi na di kita iiwanan. Mahal kitang lagi, susubukan ko kahit wala kong palasyo na abot hanggang langit. At sa bawat araw na tayo'y magkasama, wala ko ay ligaya. O aking prinsesa. Hindi ko na kaya na humanap pa ng iba, pagkat ikaw lang ang tanging sinasamba. Alam mo bang kapag kapiling ka, bawat sandali ay walang kasing ligaya.
Although loneliness has always been a friend of mine, I'm leaving my life in your hands. People say I'm crazy and that I am blind, risking it all in a glance. Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak in that very moment.
Ayun, tandaan mo, ipaglalaban ko pag-ibig ko sa'yo at ang relasyon nito hanggang dulo. Kahit pa, asawa mo, kalaban ko dito. Oh yeah.
My life is my rule. My attitude is my style. You love me or hate me, I don't care. But don't play with me. Good day everyone, mga kaway. Shoutout po sa inyo ng napakalakas. Oh yeah.
Tangina mo, kaya ko nang wala ka, putangina mo. Di na ako apiktal, ngunit ako iwan mo. Nasasali na ako.
I must be crazy now.
Di ko kaya na malimot ang pag-ibig mo. May puwang pa ba ko dyan sa puso mo? Tanggapin mo lang ako, ako'y babalik sa'yo. Sana'y huwag kang mainip, ako'y asahan mo. Di ko na sasayangin ang tiwala mo. Tanggapin mo lang ako, ako'y babalik sa'yo. On the way na ako, papunta na sa'yo.
Ikaw ra gang, ikaw ra jud ang igugmaon ko.
Let's go! My stupid heart don't know. I tried to let you go so many times before. Then when I got back into my stupid heart.
Papi, papi, papi chulo. Tú quieres el
Mabubuhay sa'yo, mamamatay na lang ako kung panaginip lang ito.
Kung panaginip, parang ayaw ko na magising pa, pagkat nadaramay ligaya. Lahat ng naisin mo'y aking ibibigay, pagkat ikaw ay aking mahal. Pagkat ikaw ay aking mahal.
Kung hindi man para sa akin ito, di na ko magtataka kung bakit laging bigo. Ako ay lagi lamang naririto, kahit na nahihirapan na ang sarili ko. Ay handa kong maghintay, kung kailan ibibigay, pero kung di man para sa akin ito, kahit na anong mangyari, ako'y naririto. Gusto mo bang tumikim? Dito tayo sa dilim. Ipasa mo ng palihim habang walang nakatingin. Mga matay singkit at namumula-mula. Hindi ko na alam ba't ako ay natatawa. Gusto mo bang tumikim? Dito tayo sa dilim. Ipasa mo ng palihim.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, ooh, yeah. When the day is said and done, in the middle of the night and you're fast asleep, my love, stay awake looking at your beauty, telling myself I'm the luckiest man alive. 'Cause so many times I was certain you was gonna walk out of my life. Why you take such a hold of me, girl, when I'm still trying to get my act right? What is the reason when you really could have been any man you want? I don't see what I have to offer. I should have been a season, 'cause you could see I have potential. Do you know you're my miracle? Oh yeah, I'm like a statue, stuck staring right at you. Got me frozen in my tracks, so amazed how you take me back. Each and every time I look alive, statue, stuck staring right at you. So when I'm lost for words, every time I disappoint you, it's just 'cause I can't believe that you're so beautiful. Stuck like a statue, don't wanna lose you, no. Stuck like a statue. Ask myself, why are you even with me? After all the shit I put you through, why did you make your heart so with me? It's like you're living in a igloo. But baby, your love is so warm, it makes my shield melt down, down. And every time we both before you make me come around. What is the reason when you really could have been any man you want? I don't see what I have to offer. I should have been a season, 'cause you could see I have potential. Do you know you're my miracle? Oh, like a statue, stuck staring right at you. Yeah, in my tracks, so amazed how you take me back. Each and every time I look alive, statue, stuck staring right at you. So when I'm lost for words, every time I disappoint you, it's just 'cause I can't believe that you're so beautiful. Thank my lucky stars. God really had to spend extra time when he sculpted your heart. 'Cause there's no explanation, gets off the equation.
I just had to let you know you're